Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing the site, confirming access and lighting, then position your tripod and mark clear paths. Use a camera or LiDAR with fixed exposure and aim for 70–80% overlap between shots so the software can match features reliably. Once done, place control points or a scale bar and log GPS or reference measurements. This anchors your model to real dimensions. Make sure to label assets and backup images as you go, because good input expedites every following step. You now import images and immediately cull blur or poor exposures. Quality sorting saves time. Start with automatic feature matching and perform a coarse alignment to visualize tie points. If density is low, capture fill shots and rerun. Once aligned, run bundle adjustment to optimize camera poses and reduce reprojection error. This improves geometric accuracy. Then load your control point coordinates so the model snaps to real-world scale. Make sure to inspect residuals and keep iterative backups as you refine. You finish by producing a dense point cloud, then generate a mesh with controlled decimation to preserve critical detail while keeping file sizes manageable. Next, bake or project high-resolution textures and inspect seams and color balance. Touch up exposures if necessary. Once satisfied, export deliverables, obj or ply, textured model, and orthophoto, plus a brief accuracy report showing control point residuals. If alignment or texture errors appear, recheck control point placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.